welcome to the Motorboats monthly test of the Larson Cabrio 777 and 857. The helm on these boats is actually very good. You've got quite a comfortable helm seat here with a lift-up bolster, an adjustable steering wheel, and there's a nice foot plate here, so you can get a really good comfortable position. The other thing they've done with this boat is they've put this area here, which is a good size to get a decent chart plotter into. There's no doubt that Larson are positioning themselves at the budget end of the market with this boat, and it shows in areas like exposed screw heads, a rather cheap plastic finish here, and if you look at the finish here, it's perhaps not to the standard that it could be. However, what you've got to ask yourself is that a saving of getting on for £20,000 compared to some of the competition, is that kind of thing really going to bother you when you're doing 30 knots down the coast with your friends?